Hi, today we're unboxing the brand new iPhone 16 Pro. In this video, we'll take a closer look at its sleek design, new camera features, and advanced AI capabilities. Apple has made a slight change to the box contents, and Apple stickers are no longer included. However, if you really want them, you can still request stickers at the Apple Store during your purchase. Just like last year, the iPhone 16 Pro comes equipped with USB-C. It includes a premium cable that feels great in your hands and enables faster charging compared to previous models. 25 watts with MagSafe and 45 watts wired charging. The iPhone 16 Pro keeps Apple's signature premium design, but with some nice refinements. It still feels great in the hand with smooth edges and a solid build. And of course, the dynamic island. It continues to make interactions with your phone feel more seamless. The Action button is now available across the entire iPhone 16 lineup. Not just the Pro models, it lets you quickly access essential functions. You can set it to launch the camera, turn on the flashlight, run shortcuts, or use Shazam to instantly recognize a song. But this year, there's also a brand new button, the Capture button. Designed for quick photo and video capture, it gives you more control over shooting, similar to a professional camera shutter. It's placed in a way that feels natural to use, whether you're holding the phone vertically or shooting in landscape mode. This makes capturing moments even easier. The Capture button is more than just a simple shutter. It's a completely new way to interact with the iPhone's camera. It's a physical button that depresses when pressed, but it also features haptic feedback, similar to the MacBook trackpad, making it feel incredibly responsive. The surface itself is capacitive, meaning it responds to the movement of your fingertip. A light press brings up an on-screen overlay with camera controls, while a firm press takes a photo or starts recording a video. Instantly, just like a traditional camera shutter. You can even use it to zoom by lightly pressing and dragging, switch between lenses, and quickly access settings like exposure and depth control. All of this makes shooting on the iPhone 16 feel more natural and intuitive than ever. The ultra-wide lens on the iPhone 16 Pro has been upgraded to deliver sharper details and better low-light performance. Whether you're capturing expansive landscapes or getting up close for macro shots, this lens provides more detail and less distortion than before. Thanks to advanced computational photography and smart HDR, colors look more natural, and textures appear more defined in every shot. Apple has revamped photographic styles on the iPhone 16 lineup, making them even more customizable. Instead of just choosing a preset, you can now fine-tune tone, warmth, and contrast in real time before taking a shot. Whether you prefer a natural look, deep contrast, or a more vibrant style, the new system gives you more control over how your photos turn out, without needing to edit them afterward. The iPhone 16 models now feature spatial audio recording, making videos sound more immersive and realistic. But what makes it even more powerful is the new audio mix feature, which lets you adjust your video's sound using 4 different modes. Standard keeps the original recorded audio. In-frame reduces sounds and voices from sources outside the video frame. Studio minimizes background noise and reverb, making the audio sound like it was recorded in a professional studio. Cinematic emphasizes voices on a front-facing track while keeping environmental sounds in surround. similar to movie audio. Additionally, wind noise is now automatically reduced while recording, ensuring clearer sound outdoors. This iPhone now supports 20 frames per second slow motion recording in 4K, delivering ultra-smooth, high-resolution slow-mo footage. Now you can also adjust playback speed directly in the Photos app, making it easy to slow down or speed up videos without third-party apps. The iPhone 16 lineup now features Apple Intelligence, bringing powerful AI-driven capabilities to everyday tasks. The new Siri is smarter, understands context better, and even lets you type your requests instead of speaking. Siri can now answer questions about all your Apple products. Simply activate Siri and ask questions like, "How can I share my location?" The Playground brings a fun way to explore AI. It lets you generate images and create unique content right from your device, so you can create personalizing messages and making creative stickers. With Genmoji, you can create your own emojis just by describing them, and Apple Intelligence will generate. It's a fun way to make your messages more personal and improve your message experience. With iOS 18.3, visual intelligence on iPhone 16 makes it easier to understand and interact with images. It can recognize objects or text, letting you copy text, look up information, or identify things like plants, landmarks, and pets. To activate visual intelligence, just press and hold the camera control button. And if you need more details, you can now ask ChatGPT about the contents of a photo. Whether it's identifying a landmark, explaining a dish, or recognizing an object, ChatGPT can provide quick and useful insights. The iPhone 16 Pro is powered by a new, more powerful A18 Pro chip, delivering faster performance and improved efficiency. This iPhone can run console games, bringing smoother graphics, better lighting effects, and more immersive gameplay. Titles that were once exclusive to high-end gaming consoles are now playable right on your phone, making mobile gaming more advanced than ever. The iPhone 16 Pro features a stunning Super Retina XDR display with a 6.3-inch OLED screen, offering sharp, vibrant colors. It has always-on display and ProMotion technology with adaptive refresh rates up to 120 Hz for smooth motion. The display supports HDR and True Tone, ensuring rich colors and accurate brightness, along with wide color for lifelike hues. With 2000 nits peak brightness outdoor, the screen remains highly readable even in bright sunlight. It also offers 1 nit minimum brightness for low-light conditions. Additionally, the fingerprint-resistant oleophobic coating keeps the display clean. The iPhone 16 Pro has a 6.3-inch display, making it slightly closer in size to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 Pro brings upgrades with its powerful chip, enhanced camera system, and larger display. With camera control, it offers new ways to create content or discover something new. While it doesn't differ drastically from its predecessors, it could be an excellent choice for anyone upgrading from older models. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so you won't miss any upcoming videos.